Hi guys, welcome back to Sapna Medka, and today is day 3 of our final 2-month preparation for NEET. Now I am filming this video on 18th December while this video is actually of 17th, because on 17th what happened was, now you'll get to know the story. So on 17th we had to give the test for all whole biology class 12th syllabus. I woke up first of all late in the morning because I was having very bad headache, and then after waking up I got fresh, took a shower, and then revised. Now what to revise because the syllabus is so huge, but then did some of the chapters and sat to give the test. So now I gave two tests. In the first test, both of the tests were of 100 marks. Now, in the first test, I scored 58, and in the second test, I scored 63. So, these are the marks. I know it's very less, but we had prepared really well. The questions felt, after doing so many chapters and when view I was seeing the questions, I was getting so much confused, especially the question paper that I attempted had so many names of the scientists and years, and mostly those were the only questions that went wrong. So there's a lot to improve, but from this day I learned something, that test is very 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 important. We always run after just preparing the syllabus and revising it again and again, but the major point in which we had to focus is test, because when you'll give test, now I'll tell you one thing, the questions that went wrong, you know after seeing those, they have they've gotten a place in my mind and I'll always remember them. So I think the major learning part is like learning from the mistakes of your test. And so what another mistake that I did was, after giving this test I was so demotivated, and I literally wasted my other part of the day crying and just overthinking how everything will take place. That is the mistake that you should not do. And then I spoke to one of my senior friends who is currently now in government medical college GMC. So he told me that it's normal and everybody have this kind of phase even so close to NEET, but it's okay, we have 5 months, and if we'll give regular tests for bio, our bio will genuinely be really strong. All we need to do is every day revise a chapter, and every week Sunday or Saturday will fix for tests, or at least twice a week we can give tests, because that is how we can prepare slowly and slowly. And now, so the half day was wasted and I regret it, but there's no point in regretting it. I will just want you guys to not do such mistake and accept your marks and move on. That is all we can do, and start focusing, because I could have at least studied for the rest of the half day, but I wasted it. Anyways, so tomorrow we are going to start with our physics. The routine that I made had next physics, so we'll start with one shots of all the chapters, and then we'll do the PYQ lectures, and then we'll give tests. So tomorrow we'll start with the first chapter and let's see how it goes, and side by side we'll always try to do bio. Thank you. I hope you guys are all having a really nice time and preparing well. Stay tuned to know what happens, and we'll definitely figure it all out together. Thank you.